Hey UVA, I'm Nita Martin, the Innovation and Strategy Coordinator here at University View Academy, and today I'm taking you on tour of the Lynx Den STEAM Center. Let's go inside. Welcome to the Lynx Den STEAM Center. This is our main performance area where we host study hall and other events such as theater and music. As you can see, we have a few students and educators working in this space today. Let's go over to the makerspace. You heard me, the makerspace. This is where we allow our students to be creative and innovative. We make various objects or items in this space, just like Raina is playing with right over here. These are rubber band cars. We also do circuits. We have robots, 3D printers. We'd love to welcome you to a makerspace event. Let's head this way. This is our esports arena, and I'm gonna let Coach 𝗟𝘅 tell you all about it.
Hey there, this is the Lynx Arena where we are set up with 27 high-powered Digital Storm computers. We also have 5 Nintendo Switches, 2 Xbox Series X's, and 2 PlayStation 5s. We offer free play times for elementary, middle, and high school students, as well as community game days for the entire family. You can join us in a club for elementary, middle, or high school esports, or if you're interested in competing, you are open to competitions that are completely free for students. I'm going to turn it back over to Ms. Martin.
So that's your tour of the Lynx Den STEAM Center. If you have any questions, you can email us at lynxden@uview.academy.